Hi everyone, welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Today I am so much excited to show you that how you can make a high protein shake at home. This high protein shake is called Sattu Smoothie that promotes fat loss and help in your muscle building. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the recipe. First, in a blended jar, I am adding homemade fresh coconut milk. The links will be in description. It's very easy to make coconut milk at home. Next, I am adding banana. Add one banana to add the creaminess to the smoothie at the same time to add more potassium, magnesium, zinc like properties in your diet. Banana is also great for muscle building. Add 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega 3, omega 6, and it's also great for fat loss and overall in your weight loss journey. Flax seeds are also great to promote good cholesterol within your body, which is called LDL, thus promotes heart health also. Next, I'm adding peanuts for an extra protein. Add dates according to you for an sweetness. And lastly, add our superhero ingredient sattu. Sattu is nothing but the flour which is made from roasted chana, and you have it. The sattu give you a dose of protein. Add cardamom powder, also known as choti ilaichi ka powder, and blend all it into a smoothie like consistency. Serve it into a serving glass, and you just blend all the ingredients, and it's very easy and convenient to make. These smoothies are best when you are hurry and you want something healthy. Add flax seeds at the top for an extra crunch, and add some peanuts for an extra protein to your diet. Don't add too much protein, it's also important. Lastly, add some fox seeds, and you have it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are new, and let me know in the comments that how it turns. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.